So if you guys want to name her, let's have a little YouTube contest. Alright, so today we're going to take the red Vette out for a quick cruise, just to work its bones, see how it does. And we're going to shoot up a couple exits north on the highway, get it exercised a little, and see how she does. I gotta fix the mirrors before I go anywhere. And okay, well, that was a bad idea. Well, it looks like the switches aren't working that great. The AC is working though. The AC is working fantastic. That is my grandson's father's Vette. He bought that C5 for right around $6,200. It's got the 6-liter C6 motor, and he put a nitrous kit on it. So he's running slicks, semi-slicks in the back, because he's losing traction at 80 miles an hour, where the rear end just breaks free on him. And it's not doing him that great of a service when that happens. Saying that he likes to road race. So I'm gonna make sure the windows are all rolled up here. And we're gonna break off. He's gonna break off and head to another person's shop, and I'm gonna take this for a quick cruise up the highway, step on it and see how she does. And she should do pretty good. Wow, right up to red line. So this is a 1985 C4 Corvette. It has the L98 engine. It only puts out 230 horsepower. This is right at the apex of the emissions debacle that killed all muscle cars through the 70s and into the 80s, and inspired the cheaper than dirt Japanese imports that got, you know, substantially better gas mileage. Oh, look at that, I got a check engine light that just came on. Let's see if we can burn it out. So, and we're off. Alright, so we got right up to 5,000 RPM on that before, well, 4.5, 5,000 before it shifted. So there's definitely something going on there. We're gonna slow down around this person here, because, you know, always respect pedestrians. You hear all the rattles in the doors on this red one, because I haven't done anything with the interior. Not a single thing. Other than, did I replace the steering wheel? No, I didn't even replace the steering wheel on this. So yeah, this thing is, in and of itself, just a beast So we're gonna try and directionally aim the AC at me, the driver. And my girlfriend says she's going to be on her way home soon from the horse farm. So we'll see where that gets us. Does this have the nut vent? Nope, no nut vent. Or should I say the crotch vent. So we're pulling up to the highway here. I live in New Hampshire. For all of you that see the signs here, we're going to get on the toll road here on Route 93 North. And I'm going to open it up and see how she does. I'm going to try and keep it, you know, at an okay speed limit. Oh, there's the Popo sitting right there. Alright, so handling, she does really well. So we haven't gone above $3 grand, $2.5, $3 grand. And we're already doing highway speed 55. See a boat coming up on my left. There we go. Just opened it up and we're already at 85, maxing out the speed gauge. But everybody else seems to be doing 80, 85 because I'm not passing them. So we're just slowing down to 76. Moving over here. See how we do over here. $75 and behind this GM truck. Sorry for the wind whip. But the weather stripping on this one also needs to be replaced. So definitely something that we have to keep in mind. Wondering why the check engine light came on. Everything looks good, everything feels good. So yeah, we're doing fine. Boost up to 85, back down to 70, 80. I don't know why the speedo only went up to 85 on these. This has the 700 R4 transmission, or the TH400, I believe. This is an automatic, and boy, is she rattling. Everything seems to be rattling on this machine. Except for the, yeah, it's just pretty tight in the suspension. She's doing good. I'm going to take it around the oval on 89, off of 93 up ahead. We're going to see what she does, or how she does. Downshifts nicely. that was already all the way up to 100. That GM truck up there, I couldn't even catch it. So he must have been going faster. Right about 2 grand on RPMs, and we're doing like 82, 83. We're up to 16.9 miles per gallon, 314 range on a full tank. Oil temperature is 191. Water temperature is 176. It is a cool day. So, not that hot out. So it's definitely getting some definite airflow. Doing all right. I mean, everybody else must be doing about 75 too, because I'm not catching up to them. Everybody's kind of sitting where they're sitting. What was that all about? I let go of the steering wheel and, well, I guess she needs an alignment. We'll have to bring her in and get her aligned. But there's no shaking at 100, 102, like with the gray Corvette. And they both have stock everything. Everything is stock on both of them. So, definitely going to look at things on both, find out what the shaking is. This has the 86 rims, or I forget what rims they have, but it doesn't have the turbine rims. It has the next model, the solid shooter rims. So I need that first lane over there, so I'm gonna shoot on over. There we go. That works. Doesn't even feel like I'm going 45. So we opened it up. She felt good. She did a pretty damn good job. I'm very happy with her. She held together. There was no craziness. Other than when I let go of the steering wheel, she decided she wanted to veer off to the left, so that's just an alignment issue. At slower speeds, yeah, the same thing at slower speeds as well. So both at 75, 80, it veers to the left, and at 30, 35, it veers to the left. So. Out of here, and hey, look at that, another police officer. They love driving around with those unmarked cars. So this wasn't too bad. This was a nice little ride. Lots of rattling. This thing has lots of shake and rattle. Let's see if the headlights work. Hey, look at that. nice. I like that. I like that. What about the auto dimmer? Yeah, auto dimmer works great. Fantastic. AC's ice in this thing. AC is ice cold. We gotta give you a name. Gotta name you. I don't know, I can't think of a good name right off the top of my head. So, if you guys want to name her, let's have a little YouTube contest on the best name and see which name gets the best votes or the most votes in the comments below. And that name will become this vehicle's name. This red Vette that I am keeping. Then I'm gonna strip the emission stuff off and see what I can squeeze out for horsepower. Of course, we're gonna be going over the transmission, the motor, the axles, the universals, rear end, suspension, so that it can handle it. So that we can take this baby out for a nice quick cruise. And hey, Donna's back home. Donna went out to visit her horse today. She's got a single horsepower vehicle. I wonder what that did to the front bumper running into those little things. All right, hey, I want to thank you for coming along for the ride, and you guys have a great day.